Folks. Hi, welcome to your Nick's quick voice tip for today. I'm coming at you with a bit of a classic. It's the secret weapon in any professional voice user's toolkit. That's right, the lip trill. Lip trills come up loads for professional voice users. They're incredibly beneficial. They belong to a set of exercises called semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, which is a bit of a fancy term that comes from speech and language therapy. But basically, semi-occluded refers to partially obstructed. So what happens is we sort of occlude, semi-occlude, or partially obstruct the opening. Then we get this lovely acoustic back pressure of the air down onto the top of the vocal folds. So it really encourages the vocal folds to close and vibrate much more efficiently, which really can encourage much more effortless or less effortful voicing. So it's lovely for your vocal warm-up. It's really nice to put in your cool down routine as well. And actually, if you're doing something long form like an audiobook or a long form narration or a podcast, a day of podcast interviews, it's really nice to do throughout your recording as a little bit of a vocal reset. So here we go. It's very simple. You just make your lips look like a bit of an excited horse, and then you slide up and down your vocal range, a bit like this. Simple. Now, things that can help if you struggle with a lip trill is to have a little one of these first. Just to give your lips a little bit of release. Also, you could try this, gently putting your fingers to the sides of your lips. Some people find that useful, but it's a brilliant exercise because it not only gets the vocal folds having a little massage to get them warmed up, it really encourages consistent airflow, and it also releases the lips, which is one of the main movable articulators. So you're really sort of tackling 3 in 1 with this exercise, which is why we all love it so much. So give it a go. What you can do is go all the way up, all the way down, have a little play. You can get a cheeky singer hand on the go if you fancy it. As with all voice warm-ups and prep work, keep it nice and easy, enjoy it, don't push for volume, and yeah, see if you can incorporate that one into your warm-up today. Enjoy and let me know how you get on.